a time, in a vast, sparkling ocean, there lived a tiny water droplet named Droplet. Droplet loved to dance and play with his friends under the warm sun. They would splash around and make waves all day long. One sunny day, Droplet felt something strange happening. The sun was shining brighter and hotter than usual, and he began to feel lighter and lighter. "What's happening to me?" Droplet wondered aloud. His friend, a wise old droplet named Splash, smiled and said, "Ah, Droplet, you're evaporating. The sun's heat is turning you into water vapor, and you're rising up into the sky. Enjoy your adventure." Before Droplet could ask more, he found himself floating upward, higher and higher into the sky. He was no longer a droplet but a tiny, invisible particle called water vapor. "This is amazing!" Droplet exclaimed as he floated among the fluffy clouds. He met other water vapor particles who had also risen from oceans, lakes, and rivers. As Droplet floated higher, the air became cooler. He started to feel chilly and noticed that he and the other water vapor particles were coming closer together. "What's happening now?" Droplet asked a nearby particle. "We're condensing," the particle replied. "The cool air is turning us back into liquid droplets, and together we're forming a cloud." Sure enough, Droplet and his new friends clustered together to form a big, white cloud that drifted across the sky. From up there, Droplet could see the entire world below: mountains, forests, cities, and people. After some time, the cloud grew darker and heavier as more and more droplets joined in. Droplet felt himself getting bigger and heavier too. A droplet next to him said, "We're too heavy to stay up here any longer. It's time to fall back down as rain." Droplet felt a sudden whoosh as he began to fall from the cloud, tumbling down through the sky. He was a raindrop now, and he loved the feeling of the wind rushing past him. Down, down he fell until he landed with a soft splash into a quiet little pond in the middle of a forest. The pond was home to frogs, fish, and beautiful water lilies. "Welcome to our pond," croaked a friendly frog. "We're glad to have you here." Droplet smiled, happy to be back in the water. He spent days exploring the pond and making new friends. But he knew that someday, when the sun shone bright again, he would evaporate and start his adventure all over. And so, Droplet realized that he was part of a never-ending journey called the water cycle, bringing water to all parts of the earth.